car maker from China that does not always get the attention it deserves. This is a 30-year-old car brand that has made millions of cars and sold them. In today's video, we will go over the history of the company and see what it has become today. We will also see how the company changed after the acquisition of Volvo for $1.5 billion. Then we will talk about the autonomous driving tech and EVS of the brand. Before we get on with the video, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Also, subscribe to the video if you haven't subscribed already. Your feedback is very precious to us, as we use it to make our videos better each time. The company, Geely, is based in the Chinese city, Hangzhou. It is one of the top car makers in China. It was founded in the year 1997 by the XING YUE Geely holding group. There are over 50,000 people employed by Geely. It has 5 research and development centers across the globe. They are located in Frankfurt, Coventry, Hangzhou, Ningbo, and Gothenburg. The company runs 12 production plants as well. These are at Jianghu, Baoji, Taizhou, Ningbo, Chengdu, Jiangtan, and many other Chinese locations. Geely makes a wide range of automobiles, such as sedans, SUVs, crossovers, and electric vehicles. It has been listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange as early as 2005. Geely also has 5 global design studios in different cities all across the world. These are Coventry, Shanghai, Gothenburg, California, and Barcelona. As of 2019, Geely held its position in China as the best-selling car brand for a run of 3 consecutive years. The number of vehicles sold by Geely at the time was over 1.46 million units. Geely has also launched LYNC & Company, which boosted the sales even higher. In 2015, Geely made LYNC & Company. The company has 50% stakes in LYNC & Company. Sportier cars based on the CMA platform have also been made there. The car maker also revitalized the Malaysian brand Proton and took it back to second place in Malaysia. The history of Geely is filled with several fortunate and unfortunate events. The first car released by Geely did not even sell a single unit. This car maker has also set a lap time at the Nürburgring. The man who started Geely was a successful businessman from Xinjiang. He is famous for saying that car making is not a difficult task, as cars are just 2 couches on 2 wheels. When Geely was started, there was not much competition in the Chinese automobile industry. Geely was first interested in making a luxurious car for the Chinese market. He took a Mercedes-Benz E-Class at the time and did reverse engineering on it. The result was not a pleasant one. Geely named the copy of the E-Class as the number 1. The car had a lot of problems that the company just did not know how to solve. Geely then moved on to making everyday cars, such as cheap hatchbacks. This led to the creation and launch of a Geely hatchback. It was a copy of the Subaru Charade, but much worse. The car did not even sell 1 unit. This infuriated the owner of Geely, and he ran a steamroller on the cars that were over 100 in number. Geely then did years of research and development to launch the Huaqing in 1999. This car sold considerably well. As of 2009, the company was doing very well and selling over 140,000 units. In 2015, Geely once again began working on making high-quality luxury vehicles. This time, it had the experience and technology over at Volvo for its help. The car maker then launched the Beau Roy in 2015. It was available in a 1.8-liter engine, as well as a V6 3.6-liter engine. In the year 2009, Geely did something unheard of. It bought Volvo for a sum of $1.5 billion. The deal was then finalized in 2010. What Geely did right was to leave Volvo as an independent brand. The company did not touch any operations in Sweden and Belgium, while letting them do their thing. Geely then did another smart thing as well. It started using the experience and technology that Volvo had to make better cars for its brand. This took the quality of Geely vehicles considerably up than before. iNTEC aims at making the safety and in-cabin experience of Geely cars much better. Their motto is to make a humanized intelligent drive concept. Geely has realized that people are spending more time and money on their cars than ever before. This has motivated them to develop new technology for their cars. The N in the word iNTEC stands for intelligence and integrated, while the tech is interpreted as technologies. iNTEC is also working on an autonomous driving system for Geely. The G Safety is the state-of-the-art safety system that Geely cars use. It uses passive and active systems to create a much safer experience for those inside and around the Geely. This system is present in all the 3rd-generation Geely models and the Emgrand and X7 Sport. The user interface that Geely uses is known as GKUI. It creates a smart ecosystem around the passengers. The car stays connected to the internet to provide a very immersive experience. G-Power is the name given to the different engines made by the company. These are alloy engines that are lightweight while having turbos and new fuel injection technologies. Power and fuel efficiency are kept in mind while the powertrains of Geely vehicles are made. G Blue is a cabin environment enhancer by the company. It makes the inner cabin of the car much healthier and cleaner. This is being done as cars are the one place people spend most of their time at. Geely is also a manufacturer of electric vehicles. We are going to discuss two of them in today's video as well. The EVs made by Geely are very famous in China, and they sell well. G-Pilot is an autonomous driving suite being made by Geely. It will be a major part of the EV revolution in China, and a step towards everyday autonomous cars. This sedan is one of the cars in the EV lineup by Geely. It can travel up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. The Emgrand is one of the safest and best-selling vehicles from Geely, hence the Emgrand EV was made on the platform. This EV can go from 30% to 80% charge in just a matter of 30 minutes. Up front, it has a beautiful expanding universal grille and a 680-liter trunk in the back. The cabin is very quiet and has a color-changing dashboard. The seats of the car are electronically adjustable and covered with leather. The 0 to 60 miles an hour time is 9.3 seconds. Battery options are 62 kWh and 52 kWh based on the variants. These are ternary lithium-ion batteries. The car is powered by a permanent magnet synchronous motor that can produce a maximum power of 120 kWh. The XING YUE is the first CMA-based coupe SUV. Geely has based the design of this car on a jungle cat pouncing towards its prey. A very low wind resistance coefficient of 0.325 is obtained with the help of the fastback style of the SUV. The SUV also has a full sky view roof. There is also a dual color scheme interior. A lot of technology has gone into making this vehicle. There is a smart cockpit that recognizes the driver and knows their preferences. Face ID is also used in the car. Driver assistance is always active. All driver aids are configured by the person who is sitting in the driver's seat. Face ID also keeps checking on the driver in case they are feeling sleepy. It can also monitor if the person is closing their eyes or frequently yawning. The Lane Keep Assistant feature not only tells when it is safe to leave a lane, but also helps the driver keep in their lane. Geely has fitted the car with SLIF, or Speed Limit Identification feature. It automatically sees the speed limit and does not let the driver exceed it. Geely will be among the top names of the automotive industry very soon. The carmaker has shifted towards making electric vehicles at just the right time. Other legacy car makers are having a rough time adjusting to the whole situation. Geely has also come a fairly long way from where it started. The common opinion about the company is that it will remain growing in the times to come. Stay tuned to our channel as we keep you updated about the hottest news from the world of EVs. Don't forget to drop a comment and tell us what you liked and what you didn't.